10 shocking signs money is coming your way, and it's coming fast. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Hey, before we go any further, be sure and click the bell icon and be sure and subscribe because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and all the other kinds of good stuff that you want to know about to empower your life. Okay, some of these signs that I'm going to share with you today are ancient. They go back generations. They go back thousands of years. Other signs are rather modern. Either way, they're still very, very effective. You see, the universe is energy. The universe is vibration. And when certain vibrations line up, to use a musical terminology, when certain notes are hit, then guess what happens? Something big happens, and the universe sends you a sign to prepare you for upcoming wealth, upcoming money. Now, you know, everybody has a different version of what a lot of money is. If you are homeless and you're on the streets, $5 might be a lot of money. On the other hand, if you have a nice home and you're doing well, maybe $50,000 is what you're looking for. I can't tell you the amount of money. The amount of money changes, but guess what? Money is coming your way. So let's get into these signs right now. So high flyers, one of the signs that I have seen in my own life when money has come my way is certain numbers, such as 777. That is a powerful number. Or 1111. Or seeing the number 8. 8 is an interesting number. It goes back to Mandarin and Cantonese. It goes back to Feng Shui. It goes back to ancient China. It relates to the octagon, which is a symbol of power and wealth. And it's a very powerful symbol in Feng Shui and all of the other different sciences and philosophies that revolve around ancient China. I can tell you that when I saw a license plate one time, it was 8888. I think it was 4 8s, or maybe there were 5 8s. It was a crazy license plate. All it had was 8s. When I got home, I got a notice that there was money waiting for me at the bank. In other words, the bank had calculated something wrong and there was additional money in my bank account. I've had a lot of these kinds of experiences, especially with 1111. 1111 is a powerful number. It says a new beginning. 1, 1, 1, 1. In the ancient Kabbalah, there are 4 worlds, and it says source, 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 beginning, new energy, new flow. So if money has not been your friend up till now, something new is happening in your life. And 777 is very powerful. It symbolizes perfection in just about everything. When you are in alignment with money, it's like being in alignment with love or health or vitality. There's a certain perfection that takes place. So 777, very powerful sign from the universe that money is coming your way. These signs get more shocking as we go. Now, high flyers, the next sign is really shocking. It's a shocking sign that money is coming your way. I don't know how it works exactly. I'll give you my take on it. You receive a little bit of unexpected money on the new moon. Okay, so the new moon is when there's no moon in the sky. You can't see the moon. It symbolizes a new beginning. It is the seed of the next moon to come. So the next full moon. So guess what? When you receive money, it could be $10, could be $5, you found some money, you receive money on the new moon. it's almost certain, high flyers, I know this sounds crazy, it's almost certain that by the full moon, a large sum of money is going to show up in your life. So if you've received a little money on the new moon, guess what? Larger sums of money are coming to you by the full moon. Sign number 3 is it's a behavioral sign. It's a inner change within you. Well, really all the signs are, because if you don't make the inner shift, then money is still going to elude you. You have to be in alignment with money to attract money. You're giving more money away. Hey, look it. If you all of a sudden feel like it's important for you to share more money with your family, to share more of your money with your friends, to share more money with even strangers or charities, it's a powerful sign that money's coming your way. And it's coming fast because it's based on what I like to call the law of reciprocity, which means that you are giving out. You see, money's a vibration. When you are giving out that vibration of money and wealth, and you don't have to have money and wealth in your pocket in order to give it away, because it's the vibration that counts. When you give out that vibration of money and wealth, that vibration of money and wealth comes back to you. And more often than not, it comes back to you in the form of dollar bills or gold coins or silver coins or whatever you happen to be into. I think that it's about adding value to people's lives. That's what it's really about, high flyers. When you are giving more of yourself, when you're adding more value to people's lives, then the law of reciprocity says more money is returning to your life. And that's powerful. That's very powerful. So one of the things that I suggest is find some people to give money to. Some people that are deserving, some people that are needy. Give more money away and expect more abundance returning to your life. So high flyers, I want to remind you before we go into the next sign that you can begin to shift your subconscious mind and make massive changes in your life, in your finances, in the money that flows into your life, into your business, your career, your love life. Visit us. Take the time to visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com. Visit us there. Try it for 7 days. Free. Be my guest. You will see how powerful these programs are. People are getting tremendous results already, and you can too. Sign number 4 is that for some reason, something's going on in your life. You're making a shift. You are changing who you are. And so sign number 4 is you feel inspired to take the risk. There is an opportunity that is either in your life right now or it's about to come into your life. If it's not in your life today, it'll be in your life tomorrow. But that opportunity is coming into your life. I love those opportunities. Opportunities are wrapped up. They're just filled with vibrational potential. All kinds of good things can come into your life when an opportunity presents itself. And maybe you've turned down opportunities. Maybe you've said, no, I can't afford it. Maybe you've said, I need to talk to my husband first or my wife first. Maybe you've said, let me think about it. But right now, you feel inspired to take big action. You feel inspired to take the risk because you know that the risk is worth it, that the payoff is coming. You feel inspired. You feel excited. You feel motivated. You feel it in your heart of hearts, in your mind of minds, in your soul. And you are absolutely certain that though there is a risk in taking this opportunity, you're going to do it anyway. And you're going to do it right now. High flyers, sign number 5 kind of ties in with sign number 4. You are stepping forward into radical action. I mean, radical. All your friends say, wow, Robert, have you gone nuts? Are you crazy? Are you insane? Yes, I'm doing it. I'm moving forward. And so are you. And I don't know what opportunities are coming into your life, but I'm certain that there are a number of them. Everyone is telling you to sit back, ride it out. Just stay where you're at. Don't rock the boat. You've heard it all. You've heard it for years. But now you are ready to take radical. Usually I say inspired action. But now I say radical action because you are ready to do something that is way, way, way out of your comfort zone. And everyone you know is telling you not to do it. Everyone you know is advising you not to do it. But hey, you are a success-minded individual. You are an individual that desires to have just an abundance of money flowing into your life. You want only the best for yourself. And you know it's going to take this radical action to bring about the best, to bring about the kind of cash flow that you deserve and desire in your life. Now, don't go away because the most shocking signs are coming up. I've got some shocking signs that'll blow you away. So sign number 6 is you feel detached. Oh, did I say detached? You're taking radical action and at the same time you feel detached? Well, yes. You love the vibration of money. You love the vibration of giving. You love the vibration of helping. You love the vibration of being of value to other people. You are now in a place where you are so certain that this money is coming your way. It's flowing into your life. That you're ready to just let it go and let it flow. You see, when you're detached, you're not squeezing and choking the energy. You're letting the energy easily flow into your life and you're using it and leveraging it as you see fit. So I think it's a wonderful thing. You're excited, you're motivated, you're on fire, and yet, I'm detached. So high flyers, one of the most shocking signs is that you begin to have visions. Now, maybe you've never had a vision before, but all of a sudden you're watching TV or you're reading a book and kind of a picture shows up in your mind and you see yourself in the future. You begin to have these visions and sometimes they're intermingled or married to your dreams. In other words, you have dreams and you go, that wasn't an ordinary dream. There was something very, very different about that dream. And you feel it. You feel the vision. You feel the dream. It becomes the dominating thought of your mind. All day long, all you're doing is thinking about that vision of that new boat, that new house, that increase of wealth and money flowing into your life. High flyers, if you're having these visions, write it down below here and share a little bit of your vision. I want to know about it. I'd like to read about it. I'll comment. I am very excited to hear your vision or your dream. It's a huge sign that money is coming into your life very, very fast. So if you're into personal empowerment or the law of attraction, be sure and subscribe to this channel, but hang on because we've got some suggested videos for you coming up shortly. And these videos will help you use the law of attraction to your advantage to get the money you desire. Sign number 8 is you see signs of wealth everywhere. Everywhere you go. Lemos, big, beautiful swimming pools. I have a friend, I'm going to tell you the truth. I have a friend, he just got a new house in LA. He's watching right now. I know, you know I'm talking about you. He's got one of these big, beautiful swimming pools. I think it has a waterfall there or waterfall, Rachel. And it's absolutely, so I saw the picture of this big, beautiful swimming pool. For the next 4 weeks, our income went, it just skyrocketed. So let me suggest this to you. Find pictures of big, beautiful swimming pools. Somehow that picture is a sign of wealth and prosperity. And when it comes into your subconscious mind, it just puts you in alignment with money, and money starts flowing easier than ever before. Golf courses. Yes, I know you don't play golf, but that's okay. Golf courses are wonderful signs of wealth, as are gated properties and big houses. Those are all incredible. Sailboats. I love sail. When I see a sailboat, I know money is flowing into my life. There you go. And I'm sure there's others like, hey, how about a big, beautiful eagle flying overhead? Well, sign number 9 is finding money, especially foreign currency, because it indicates that you are expanding. You're not just in your own country, but you're expanding your potential for wealth worldwide. So anytime I find money, if you watched me before talk about this, I put it in a separate box. I never spend that money. That money is a talisman for attracting more money. It's like a magnet. Now, at some point in time, when I get a big jar of money, sometimes it's bills, sometimes it's pennies and coins, a little bit of everything, but when I get a big jar, then we will count it up and we'll give it away. In other words, I will pay it forward. I've received from the universe, I will give back to the universe. And that's how we keep that law of reciprocity going. It's a wonderful way of attracting more money into your life and doing it relatively fast. And sign number 10, high flyers, are you ready? You know that you know that you know that you know. You just feel it. You feel in alignment with love. You feel in alignment with your career. You feel in alignment with money and happiness and source energy. You feel in alignment with the universe, and money is flowing into your life. But other things are flowing in too. Increased happiness, love, abundance, health, all kinds of wonderful things are flowing into your life. Hey, leave your comment down below here. I'm anxious to read it. I'm excited to read it because money is flowing into your life. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. And be sure and catch one of these favorite videos.